वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैली की एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 14 जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है बीबीए, बीकॉम, एमबीए, एमकॉम और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक जूनियर ऑडिटर, अकाउंट असिस्टेंट, ईपीएफओ और यूजीसी नेट। और बाकी अगर किसी भी एग्जाम में टैली के रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज पूछे जाते हैं उन सब के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। बेसिकली ये जो टॉपिक्स चल रहे हैं लास्ट 2-3 डेज से वो टैली प्राइम के क्वेश्चन हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। The first question is, which does go to Alt plus T feature doing Tele Prime? Go to gateway, jump to any report or screen quickly, open company settings, generate invoices. So here the correct answer is B. Jump to any report or screen quickly. Question number 2 is, the balance sheet in Tele shows income and expenses, assets and liabilities, cash flow only, sales and purchases. The balance sheet in Tele shows assets and liabilities. B is the correct answer. Next question is, to delete a ledger in Tally, you must first press Alt plus T, open the ledger in display or alter mode, make sure it is not used in vouchers, या फिर all of the above. So here the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 4 is, in which group is loan from bank placed? Capital account, current liability, secured loans, indirect income. So here loan from bank placed in secured loans. C is the correct answer. Next question is, gateway of Tele then display more reports is used for exporting data, viewing advanced report like GST, payroll, password settings, creating stock items. So here the correct answer is B, viewing advanced reports like GST or payroll. Question number 6 is, in which menu you can define units of measurement? Accounts info, inventory info, display, statutory info. So here question number 6, इनमें से कौन सी यूनिट है जो मेजरमेंट को डिफाइन करने में मेन्यू है जो हेल्प करता है? दैट इज इन्वेंट्री इन्फो. B is the correct answer. Next question is, what is the use of scenario management in Tally? Backup creation, hypothetical reporting without affecting actual data, emailing reports, voucher printing. So here it is using hypothetical reporting without affecting actual data. B is the correct answer. Question number 8 is, which of these is a type of inventory voucher? Contra, receipt note, journal, memorandum. So here the correct answer is B, receipt note. Next question is, Tally allows printing from which menu directly? Gateway, Alt plus P, display, F11. So here the correct answer is Alt plus P. B is the correct answer. Next question is, multi-currency support in Tally is enabled via F11 feature, then accounting features, F12 then currency settings, inventory info या फिर company info. So here the correct answer is A, F11 then accounting features. Question number 11 is, what does the gateway of Tally primarily act as? Exit menu, company info page, main navigation screen, login screen. So here the correct answer is main navigation screen. C is the correct answer. Next question is, in Tally Prime, to record the depreciation of fixed asset, which voucher is used? Payment, journal, receipt, contra. So here the correct answer is journal. B is the correct answer. Next question is, the display menu is mainly used for creating vouchers, editing vouchers, viewing reports, deleting ledgers. So here the display menu is mainly used for viewing reports. C is the correct answer. Question number 14 is, what is the use of the budget feature in Tally? Track salary, compare actual versus planned values, record journal entries, manage stock. So here the budget feature in Tally is used to compare actual versus planned values for the upcoming future. Question 15 is, Tally's payroll module calculates GST, stock value, salary and PF or ESI deductions, cash flow. So here the correct answer is C, salary and PF or ESI deductions. This is a bonus question for you. You have to answer the question in the comment section below. Which menu helps in changing data configuration like invoice format, appearance, etc. So here the options are F11 features, F12 configuration, gateway of Tally, company info. So please comment down below the answer of this question. And this is all about this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share this lecture and subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy.